Hello, hello, hello. And this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my phone cut off in the middle of that video. And so that video was 12 minutes. So I guess I'll be posting like um part one, part two, part three. And so this is the foundation after it has set, and it's still too light, like I said, because this is my real color here. It is still too light, but I'll go ahead and keep it and use it. So I'm swatching the Zodiac today, and I might do just a little eyeshadow for you. Okay, so I went and got my LR335 flat foundation brush, and I also went and got my Bare Minerals powder foundation. And speaking of red, this foundation is red. It is in color golden dark, which I should have gotten deep, but I forget. Bare Minerals, I don't think they really made for us color melanated women, but they are. So it's a little foundation here. I'm just gonna rub out, and I'm just playing around just to see if I can balance out this foundation that's too light. And I'm gonna get my flat foundation brush. And I'm just gonna dip it in here, and I'm not gonna do much, cause like I said, I'm not. Whoa, damn it! Oh, excuse my language. I'm not going anywhere. So since of me trying to get full on glam going on, I just want to kind of balance it out a little bit because it's so light. Giving me a little color in my cheeks. I'm just gonna put this a little bit more on here. And to be honest with you guys, makeup really it kind of bothers my skin, bothers my face, make me itch a little bit. I don't want to put on. Ooh, I think I got too much this time. Let me tap some of it off. Ooh, yes. No offense, but I was gonna be like Indian red. No offense. I don't think American Indians are had the same skin tone anymore. Why they was red, like the Georgia clay, which is where I'm from, by the way, Georgia. Y'all see that fallout? That's the only thing I don't like about powder foundations. There used to be some really great cream to powders, but they're kind of hard to find now. So this is the palette that I showed in the previous video, and the first one that I am going to show you guys is Cancer, and it's my left, and then we're going to move to the right. Okay, so I'm bootlegging it here. Okay, so this is Cancer, and I'm showing it to you on the darker side of my arm. This is Gemini, this gold color. Wait a minute. This is Taurus, this sort of light brownish. This is Aries, this terracotta. This is kind of like a tan, but it's really like a mocha brown in the palette. This is Leo. It's a gold color. This is Virgo, which is a dark brown. This one is Libra. This one is Scorpio. This sort of burgundy color. This is dark purple. Plum right here. Medium plum is a Sagittarius. This one, black with the sparkles, shimmers, is Capricorn. And this one, which I'm very disappointed, is Aquarius because it's more like a periwinkle instead of a purple. And this one is Pisces, the green. And I'm not a green person, but I like the green better than the Aquarius, and I'm an Aquarius. I'm sorry for breathing so hard, you guys. I'm kind of tired. So, again, let me hold it up so you can see. Okay, so let's clean this off. Got some wipes here. Okay, let's get a clean wipe. Wipe my arm. Just show you on my darker side on my arm. I don't have crusty elbows. They're just dark. So maybe I'll do it here next time. Okay? So here again, this is the palette. And I'm going to get better. I'm going to get much better as soon as I get set up and everything. I'm at my daughter's house right now, and I'm trying to film videos on my phone at her house. Like, trying to find a spot to be comfortable. And right now my phone is kind of tilting the way that I have it set up. Now, again, the foundation don't look bad, okay, from where I'm standing. But this is not my color, you guys. See that up there? Like I can peel it off like a mask. But I can make it work. That light from the bathroom, it made this foundation look impeccable. It really did. Okay, so let's go with the next palette. You guys, I like put it because I don't know why, because what I have it leveled against is okay. It's very level. So now we're gonna go to our brown sugar palette. I probably should have got Q-tips and did this. Okay, so here we go, and it has a mirror too. I just haven't taken the protection off. Okay, so I see some people actually put their fingers on the palette like so and rub, and then do this. And so then what they do is on the lighter side of my arm, just give it a swatch. Okay, so somebody didn't come out right. Okay, so this is terrible, right? So this red right here is amber. 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 Jamocha. That didn't work for me. I'm trying to hold it up because I know once I post the video. This did great, and that is chai. So we have chai, CHI, we have jamocha, and we have amber. Okay, now let's go ahead and wipe these off. Okay. Well, this is a terrible video, but thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to the end. Thank you for your support. I'm new at this, and I'm learning. Okay, so then here we go here with this color. This is like a greenish brown iridescent color, and it's called Salute right here. This is Salute right here, and I wanted to rub it, show it to you guys, and then let's swatch this arm. Okay, and don't know if it's because my skin tone. I'm a chocolate girl, and this is Auburn. Okay, don't want to give anybody the bird here. In Auburn. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice, right? That was a nice watch. And this color right here is ginger. Okay. And let's come over here. Not giving nobody the bird. This is ginger. Ooh, pretty. I like that. Surprisingly, I like that Salute. And I'll probably put that on my eyes. This video is getting long too. So now we got Sorrel, or Sorrel, SORRL. I mean EL. And I almost had a mix up. Let's try it again. You really can't you can hardly barely see that on me. Look at there. Okay, then the next one is Henna. This is Henna. Well, this way is better. Not giving you the bird. This is a dark brown Henna. These are all pretty colors. If you are a makeup artist, if you do makeup often, you can have so much fun with these palettes. This is chalk, like chocolate, but chalk. Not trying to give you the bird. And that's a reddish brown, okay? All right. So that's that. That is the swatching. And I said I was going to, I have so much work to do on myself. I'm a hot mess, and I know it. And so knowing is half the battle, right? As Captain Planet say. I got to get my hair, my appearance, everything together, my weight. So I may have to do some therapy or something so that I can find out what the problem is. So I'm going to use the bottom of this and show you guys. See, can you see that? It's wet. It's wet, jelly, I'm sorry, you guys, I'm right hand. This is a wet gel type consistent. There's no fallout. Well, a little bit. Okay. And then to swatch it, It's glitter and it's gold. You see that? Okay. So, won't be putting any of this on today. I hope it lasts until Halloween. That'll be a good time. So, let's go ahead and wipe this off. And they're coming off fairly easy. You know, I probably will. I've always wondered about that to see if people actually swatch their eyeshadows and then put 24-hour setting spray on it and then get on the camera and say, yeah, isn't that a thought? Okay, so thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave your questions and comments down below. I am new at this. I'm learning, and it's a hobby right now. So, let's see where it goes. You know, they say when the last and evil days, so you might well have fun, right? Bye.